In today's video, we're going to be working on this in the hoop dragon mask. This one measures 7.6 inches in width and then 6.8 inches in height. I'm going to be using 2 sheets of the tearaway stabilizer for this project, and we're going to start with our first placement stitch. We're going to add our first piece of fabric. It's this olive green for the base. I'm going to place it on top, start the machine again, that way I can tack it down. Here's our second placement stitch, which is the horns of the dragon. This part I'm going to be using white felt, and I'm going to place it on top, start the machine again so I can tack it down, and afterwards we're going to remove the extra fabric around it. For the third placement, I'm going to be using this cool metallic dragon scale felt print. I found this one at Hobby Lobby. If I can find it online on their website, I'll link it down below. If not, go check your local Hobby Lobby. I thought it was a cool print, so I purchased it specifically for this project. So again, I'm going to place it on top, have it tack it down, and we'll cut around and remove the extra fabric. This is the fourth placement stitch and our final fabric placement. So I'm going to be using this, I think it's like a forest green shade. So I'm going to place that on top. Again, start the machine, tack it down, and remove the extra fabric around it. Now we're going to let the machine run, create the rest of the details on the dragon mask, and then I'll be back once we're ready to add the fabric that's going to go in the back of the hoop. Here it is, all done. Now we're going to flip it to the back, and I'm going to spray a little bit of the basting adhesive to add our final fabric. We're going to let the machine run and create the final stitches connecting the top and bottom together. And here it is, we're all done. So let's go ahead and remove from the hoop and cut it out. Here it is, we're all done. I'm currently working on a more girly version, so stay tuned for that. I should have that posted in a day or so, but yeah, here it is. I will link the file down below if you guys want to check it out and make it yourselves, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.